not so perfect, but it's made with love.
This is a new level, I'ma give you what you need. You don't gotta worry, I'ma put you on the E. Yeah, you know I don't be messing with that drama. Yeah, you pretty cause you get it from your mama. And you know that I'll be coming by like karma. We do it different cause you know I'm with the shot.
Hi guys, happy new month. It's 1st May 2023, definitely. Anyways, so on the agenda today, what's that? Oh, and I was looking for them last time and I couldn't see them. Anyways, yeah, on the agenda today we have plaiting Lisa's hair, because you all know it was, so this is what I put for her recently. They were cornrows, that's what I put for her. So now we're going to remove them and do braids. Yeah, so what time are we starting, madam?
After I take breakfast.
Okay, we're first having breakfast, then we start. I don't know whether I'll finish her in like 3 days or 5 days or 1 day. Anyways, let's start. I'll definitely show you at the start and at the end, so you know I don't take a lot of time doing all this and that and that and that. Yeah, first reduce your volume a little, Lisa. Thank you. So yeah, that's what we are doing today. Hopefully it turns out well. It's quite a cold morning, like not so cold but like chilly, which I like. So yeah, let's get started. Like not now, we're going to first take breakfast, then we get started. So see you when we are about to start. First we're using the Abuja line braids, color number 1, that's black and long. Yeah, that's what we are using. Let's get started.
Yes.
From moving, if there's something you want to talk to them. Okay, so this is it. Let's get started with this. This is how I cut the actual hair. Straight. Ooh. Man, I know after this whole place is going to be filled with hair. That's why I chose like a corner, so that I don't have to make the entire house full of hair. So definitely this part is going to be messy once we are done, but it is what it is. So see you later when I'm actually starting, not these things of the preambles. What am I saying? Anyways, yeah, see you later.
Body man, nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want job. You no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I do right trust. Don't on they form say you do like.
So we are officially starting at 12:30. I'm just documenting this so that I get to know how long I've taken plaiting. Yeah, hopefully we finish today, but if it doesn't, it's also okay if we finish tomorrow. So yeah, starting at 12:30 because we had to first unplait and then do the combing like you've seen. So yeah, let's start now. Time check. This is where we are right now, and we want to go for lunch. Want to break off for lunch. First and yoke ahead. Yeah, that is where we've reached so far. So far not so bad. So yeah, let's go have lunch and then rest a little bit and be back for this other part here, which is quite huge, but we gotta finish it. We got this, we got this, we got this, we got this. Okay guys, bye. Time check, it's 7:30 and we are done with our hair. Woo, 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 woo. Not mommy clapping for us in the background. Anyways, we are done, but like not completing it. I was just putting and then not completing till the end, but I completed the ones we did at first. So we're taking a break and then we come back to finish the tips, because woo, where my back aches, my back aches. I've
been sitting the whole day.
Wow, sitting. I've been standing. Anyways, yeah, that's where we are. So far so good. So we shall show you the finished product when we are done. but we might wait for tomorrow when the lighting is good. But what I know is that not to complete, to show them we are completing this hair today. After time tomorrow to waste on this hair. No. So we're finishing today. See you later. Finally at 11:45 we are done with the hair. Remember when we told you it would be done in 3 days? Yeah, that 3 days turned out to be 11 hours. That's mommy clapping for us. So yeah, we are left with trimming, which we shall do tomorrow, laying the edges here in front, and yeah, just putting some hot water, like to soak them in hot water, and that's it. Otherwise we are done. It is 11. We are so sleepy. That's it from us today. Yeah, the skill is killing in my skill era. So I don't know.
You know, get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make it dance like steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah. What they want, telling me good in on my fantasy. What they check if my cat be no wrong. But it ain't rush whenever it be much. Now gotta make my time be the rush. Time on you with yeah. It ain't rush whenever it be much. We hype everybody be close. Hold on you don't.
Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Anyways, I feel like these days all my videos have like a baking section in it. I need to stop this. Anyways, so yeah, today we're going to be baking a cake, me and Lisa and I. Yeah, so Leonard is coming back tomorrow. Yeah, he's coming back from school, and of course, as his sisters, our one and only brother. If you're watching this, you're probably feeling good about it. Anyways, so we decided we should bake for him a cake as he comes back tomorrow, you know, something to welcome him back. Yeah, since we are also beneficiaries anyways, we shall be eating it. So yeah, I'm waiting for Lisa to get done with what she's doing, then she comes and we start baking. We're going to be baking chocolate and mint. I really think chocolate is my favorite flavor, to be honest. Chocolate is my favorite because each time I am baking, like, I have to put chocolate. Usually it's chocolate and blueberry, but this time I decided to switch it up with mint. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Most of the things are going to be done by Lisa, not me this time. So yeah, it's really her chance to also learn. So she wants to appear in my video already, as if she won't appear when she's baking. Lisa. Anyways, let's get started. It's actually early morning, like early morning for us, because it's like 9 a.m. What's the time? Let me check my phone.
10:35.
Oh, it's 10:35. I thought it was 9, but still the weather is just gloomy. So yeah, that's why finally she's here. Say hi to them.
Hi.
Oh wow, you wanted to appear, now you're seeming to be shy. Lisa, we know you, we know your ways. Oh, by the way, yeah, this is the hair I plaited. As you can see, she's here to show it off. Really in my skill era. I am really in my skill era. Anyways, let's get started, right? You're doing everything. She's even excited to do everything. Hey, well, me, I'll just be looking. Adios.
Welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching you step by step how to make chocolate and mint flavored cake. Okay, we're gonna start with step 1.
Are you sure? This is a vlog takeover. What's your step 1?
We're gonna put some butter into an empty bowl.
Was this empty?
Into an empty bowl, and then we're gonna put some sugar. We're going to measure it. I don't know the exact measures, but just put a lot.
A lot? Wait, you haven't spoiled it. Okay, bring.
Then you're
Let
going
me
to
remove this for you, and then you start with the. Because at this point, I'm going to make our video 1 hour long. And who will be suffering with the editing? Me right here. Madam, you're already eating. Guys, today's baker, the light in that side is really not helping us. Yeah, it's making us darker than we are. Like, we can't be seen. The problem is not being dark. The problem is not being seen. Yep. Why are you pushing your head there? Anyways.
It's not a head.
Hey, it's a what?
A head.
Okay. I am sorry, madam, for calling it a head.
I'm the one asking.
Yeah, I'm putting for you and then...
But I can't do that.
Okay, madam, I am sorry. I apologize. It's all yours.
Okay, then you're going to get a whisk if you have. But if you have a whisk, which
That's
is...
actually a mixer.
Okay, if you have a mixer, you can use it. But if you also have a whisk, you can use it. Only if you have the energy.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna put it in. Gonna put it on level 1.
Wait! Everything is just pouring. Slowly, slowly. You see your angle? You get your chair and you stand on it. Because you're really short. Guys, this is where we are right now with our baker. She's getting her chair to stand on it because she is short. We'll be back when she comes back. Okay, let me show you. So instead of doing like this, you do this down. So when you twist it like this, that's when it splashes. But when it's pressing down, it does not. Yes. The whole place is already filled with butter and sugar.
We are gonna mix it until it's fluffy.
There's something you wanna do, just do it. Don't let your head stop your heart from moving. If there's someone you wanna talk to, who knows who we'd be if we just live more and love more.
As we can all see, it's now fluffy. So we are going to add 1 egg at a time. Assistant, go do your job.
What's my job?
Go and get the eggs.
Anyways, luckily, wow, I even have a. By the way, Lisa, I do not even. Yeah, I am dropping the vanilla. Anyways, let me get the eggs. Luckily, I had already made them, so assistant is well.
1 yolk by 1.
Okay, madam.
Now we're gonna mix it again. So I need to stand on my chair.
Okay. I don't think you need to stand on your chair.
Oh yeah, because
This one is.
And I hope eggs don't.
See, you need to eat so that you grow taller. You know where the danger is? You know where the danger is? This is where the danger is. Putting in here, I have a feeling when I put in, the flare is just going to. Because somehow, little girl just puts on maximum all the time.
I just put it on 1.
So I put on V6?
Yes.
Okay. I have no problem doing this.
As the assistant.
Oh, you really have to make sure. You mentioned that I'm your assistant. Okay. Choma, are you happy? Yeah. Anyways, I'm out of here. Do your thing. Do your thing. Disaster! Oh! You actually didn't. You put it on 1. It's going to be a little bit heavy for your hands, but hey, you've started.
We're done with the mint. We are just preheating the oven It has got the flavor and the coloring, the green coloring, and as the chef, I've tasted it and I've really enjoyed it.
You've tasted it before it even baked?
I've tasted it and I liked the texture. So now we are going to make the chocolate, but we are not going to document it, but because this is a lot of footage already. So yeah, enjoy your day.
Anyways guys, yeah, so as she said, we finished the meat. We're just preheating. Literally, she has told you everything. She has told you every single thing, yeah. So next we shall be doing the chocolate. We shall probably show them when we are decorating it and all those things, right?
Yes, which will be done in the evening.
Okay, shall we document it though? Some of it, yeah. The chef for the day has said some of it, so her wish is my command as her assistant. So
low key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, or the lonely me lonely. Music chose me, just know this and know me. I stay okay, but I'm never lonely.
this is literally Lisa's first cake, and yeah, we are out here to take photos of her holding it. She really made it with love to Leonard. So yeah, the writings though are lacking, but really for her first cake, I didn't even show her how they write. I just gave her and was like, write, and she immediately started writing. So anyways, let's go see. She'll be explaining to you everything about her cake. It's really not my cake, so let me take you to the owner of the cake.
This is the final product. It's not so perfect, but it's made with love.
Our little Beko. Surely my role here as a big sister is done. Because she has mastered that, I don't think she will want any much guidance here after this, because she has learned how to bake it, how to do the decorations on top, and how to play around with the scrapers and all those things. So very proud big sister, I tell you, very proud big sister. So Leonard, while you eat this cake, just know it's from Lisa.
If I send you my location, I beg you send me a location. If I send you my location, would you be right here? Oh baby, we need a vacation. It's a waste no time, no. I heard your dog in your probation, another 5 years. Oh baby, we need a vacation. We don't waste no time, no. So me no come right here, lay me down, boy, have no fear. I think about you all the time. You're always on my mind. Send me your location, let me come to you.
Finally here to pick Leonard. I'm with this and mom. Yep.
And I'll pull up and do all the things that you want me to. Send me no come right here, pull up on me bumper, have no fear. Hold a look of juice and hold a look of vibes. Hold on and hold me tonight, yeah. If I send you my location, would you be right here? Oh baby, we need a vacation. There's a waste no time, no. I heard your dog in your probation, another 5 years. I send my girls to his location. We don't waste no time, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I beg you send me a location.
Hi guys, so today we had to come to Mukono, that is UCU. If you didn't know, that's where I did my undergrad from. So yeah, I had to come to certify my transcripts and all those shenanigans. Anyways, so while I was here, after the whole process of certifying and all those things, I'm currently waiting for my mom to come and pick me up. She is somewhere around here. So as I was waiting, because she told me to wait for her for a bit, sometime like an hour and a half or two, I was like, where am I going to be this whole time? I remember the good old times of Touch of Class. If you guys, okay, I was going to say if you guys don't know Touch of Class, but then I remembered when I was here, I didn't vlog much about the university, which I think I should have, but I think my content wasn't defined then. So yeah, anyways, I remember the good old times that I was like, oh, let me go to Touch of Class and, you know, have a meal. Usually would come here, have lunch, have breakfast, and for breakfast we used to have katogo, which I am actually having. I'll show you in a bit. And juice, guys. See this juice here? We took this juice, like when I say we, I'm including you, Shakira, by force, because I remember I used to come here most of the times with you. So yeah. Wait, this is cocktail. My favorite was mango, but today they didn't have mango. I used to have mango, pineapple, or sometimes cocktail, never passion. I didn't like passion. So yeah, I'm having cocktail today with my katogo. Let me show you my katogo. I'm almost halfway through, but wow, like it feels like ages ago. When was the last time? Wait, we graduated in 2020. We finished in 2021, but graduated in 2022. So yeah, wow, it's been a while. But like when I came, so many things have changed, and it's still the same old is you. Yeah, to be honest, I don't miss it. Like I don't miss the whole thing of reading what campus term. I would have said I miss my friends, but then I meet my friends. Yeah, so I have an email. Anyways, so yeah, I would have said I miss my friends, but then I meet my friends and I talk to my friends and I snap my friends. So there is really nothing. Oh, also for those who are at UCU and used to do their printing at Divine, yeah, Mulongo and what was her name? The other lady, Mulongo and Mami Hope, because I've forgotten, Lydia. Yeah, Mulongo and Lydia. Guys, Hope has grown. Like she is really a big girl now. It feels like we've really grown. Like it's been ages. Yeah, they probably have other clients. They still do law stuff, selling those contracts, acts, and what all those big acts that we good old times. Anyways, that is it. Let me wait for my mom and we head back home because I'm done with what I was supposed to do here. Guys, I'm failing to speak. Also the noise is because they are constructing something. Those who know that place, again, I'm going to keep referring to you people. I don't remember the name of the restaurant that was close to Touch of Class, but it's the one they are constructing. It's actually looking so huge. Yeah, I don't remember its name because I never ever went there for all the 4 years. I used to only come to Touch of Class and rarely to the Guild Canteen or Main Canteen, one of the two. But yeah, usually Touch of Class was my place. So see you later when I pick up this camera. Just going to chill, watch TikToks, finish my food, Instagram till my mom comes, then we get going. Also guys, I love my hair. Like I noticed I didn't show you when I did the retouch, so here we are. This was the results. Yeah, in love with my retouched hair.
Carry me go where I don't know. Where's my pololo? Your body cool my pressure. Carry me go where I don't know. Where's my pololo? This your body cool my pressure. One more you decide to my preset, oh. Girl, this your back in a asset, oh. Come make you spend on my house rental. Say this your body in a project, oh.
Time to say goodbye.
I'm out.